Hey guys, this is Oral English Girl. In today's episode, we're going to be learning when to pronounce the letter G as G or J. Now, let's take this rule. When the letter G precedes the letters A, U, or O in a word, it makes the strong G sound, G, as in gap, gum, go. A soft G sound is made when letter G precedes E, I, or Y in a word. Examples: ginger, gymnastics, germs. Of course, there are always exceptions to the rule. How do you say these words? Do you say gesture or gesture, gimmick or gimmick, nuggets or nuggets, gigantic or gigantic, digit or digits, digital or digital? See you in my next video. Bye.